In this video, I will show you the innovations in the redesigned 3D and 5-axis rest machining strategies. The calculation algorithms for the three machining strategies, Z-level, parallel, and normal, have been redesigned to make machining of rest material areas even more reliable and efficient. This allows rest material areas to be detected much more precisely and machined with proper clearance. Feed specifications are reliably taken into account, resulting in more uniform toolpaths and more stable machining processes. In this case, I set the clip option for unresolvable collisions. By default, the clipped paths are hidden, but in the General tab, you can make some of them visible. In addition, a smooth overlap is now automatically integrated at all relevant points, both on steep and flat surfaces, as well as at transitions during entry and exit movements and in closed-loop toolpath motions. This makes it much easier to handle additional jobs with different frames and, if needed, longer tools for difficult areas. Or, if you want to solve these areas simultaneously, you can program them using 5-axis rest machining. In this example, the toolpath is programmed with 3D automatic rest machining using the clip option. The clipped path is then used in the 5-axis rest machining job. In the reference section, you need to select the type Rest Material Reference Cycle and then choose the cycle you want to reference. The cutter orientation calculation for 5-axis machining has been significantly optimized. A fixed orientation is preferred, which reduces machining time and improves surface quality. At the same time, improved collision avoidance ensures smoother 5-axis simultaneous movements. The new minimum clearance angle option gives you even more control over the tool. This is the first time we have implemented a minimum clearance angle. As you can see in the simulation, the 5-axis rest machining in this area finds a fixed orientation, which is better for the machining movements and the surface quality. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.